thought it was a drone, but it was this chick. She was a UFO. Oh!
KFC doesn't wait for nobody.
I like the cheeseburger with some peanut butter. Like it was pretty.
Yeah, it's ready to go. We're racing. Get these drone shots.
I think we'll still make it in time.
You gotta seize the moment. Wow, yeah, no, this is great.
It's great stuff.
Yeah.
What movie?
Area 5150. Action, horror, comedy. We're here with the director, Sean Heights. We're gonna be shooting some footage around here.
We got Jesse James with us. The stunt guy.
Cut to the drone shot of you driving the VW. No, that was Jesse.
Yeah.
And we lost our drone. The drone fell down in the desert. We gotta blame somebody, okay? Had nothing to do with pilot error.
He's in the band.
Yeah.
Just minding his own business, but it was his fault. Burrego Springs.